Today's update focuses on the latest on-site progress across Camp Nou. Construction activity continues at multiple levels, with visible advancements in structural completion, support installation, and interior preparation. Several key areas are now moving from heavy construction into finishing and installation phases, showing steady momentum as the project continues to take shape. The parking ramp on the lateral side is now in an advanced stage of completion. The rear retaining wall of the ramp has been fully concreted, and the formwork panels have already been removed, confirming that this section is structurally finished. A second wall closer to the foreground still has formwork installed. This suggests either pending removal or preparation for final concreting. Worker activity remains visible across this area, indicating finishing and inspection work. The south goal area is showing clear progress in preparation for facade installation. New connection pieces for the lama supports are being installed, with upper connections already in place and lower ones actively positioned using a crane. The block walls in this sector have been fully painted black, and with staircases already installed, this area is now structurally ready for the next installation phase. Work at the north goal continues with structural preparation for future facade elements. Workers are welding new supports directly onto the black steel beams. These supports match those already installed in other completed sections and are clearly intended for lama mounting. Multiple elevated platforms are operating simultaneously, confirming active installation work. While no lamas are being installed yet, the groundwork for the next phase is clearly underway. This sector is now transitioning from structural preparation to installation readiness. Work in the Tribune area continues steadily across both structural and interior sections. Large amounts of stored material have been moved into interior spaces, clearing the exterior zones. Several pillars are currently being prepared with formwork for upcoming concreting, while interior teams are installing rock wool insulation behind wall panels. Scaffolding and elevated platforms remain active throughout the area. A key milestone has been reached in the corner seating area. The final prefabricated seating unit has been lifted and installed successfully. With this placement, both seating sectors in this corner are now fully completed. This marks another finished section of the stadium bowl and confirms continued progress in seating installation across the project. The diamond zone shows moderate but consistent activity. Workers are present beneath the structure, carrying out secondary tasks and inspections. While no major structural changes are visible, ongoing movement indicates preparation and coordination work. The elevator structure in this zone remains in place, with no significant visible changes since the last update. This area appears to be in a transitional phase, awaiting the next stage of installation. That concludes today's stadium construction update. Progress continues steadily across multiple sections as the project moves forward. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more regular construction updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with the next update very soon.